how to add code in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to add a code or like a code block similar to this one, you could easily do it by simply going over here on the top left, clicking on Insert. This is what you're typically going to see. Simply search for code. And you will be able to add a code block just like this. Now, you could modify the component or the code information inside. You could choose it to be with a specific language as well if you want, as you can see. Then you can simply enter the necessary code that you want, and that is how you will be able to add a code fairly easily, fairly simple into your Framer website. So that's basically it guys. If you liked this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.